We are happy to have Sir Suhail Devarma. The
After this one, we couldn't operate too much, because lockdown has killed the initiative.
Subject like C, C++, Java, all the things so then wall painting with right now, students, hostel students.
Anniversary of Don Bosco we are celebrating. So we know Saint Don Bosco is not with us today, but we believe that he is in heaven interceding for us. So now we have a floral tribute. First, Sir Suhail Devarma, the MDC of Ramchandra Ghat constituency and also executive member, Youth and Sports Affairs. Thank you, sir, for showing your respect to our founder, Saint Don Bosco. Next, Sir Ranjit Devarma, the guest of honor for today's program, the chairman of West Tripura District Journal, followed by Miss Parmita Wiyang. Next, Father Joel Eka, the principal of Don Bosco Higher Secondary School, Kairi Mandalay. Next, Father Hubert Tarian, the parish priest of Mary Help of Christians Parish, Mandalay. Next, Sister Victoria, the newly appointed superior of Don Bosco Auxilium Convent, Mandalay. So thank you, dear. Thank you, dear sir, for lighting the candle. Next, Sir Ranjit Devarma will be lighting the candle. Next, Miss Parmita Wiyang, one of the faculty of paramedical science from Kumul. Thank you, Miss, for lighting the candle. Next, Father Hubert Tarian, the parish priest of Mary Help of Christians Parish. And next, Sister Victoria, the newly appointed superior of Auxilium Convent, Mandalay. Thank you so much. Dear Sir Suhail, Sir Ranjit Devarma, Miss Parmita Wiyang,